Hey everyone, Brian Perry here with your 3-minute Disney and Universal News Flash. Let's get started. Tiana's Bayou Adventure is set to open at some point in 2024, and we finally have our first look inside the attraction, albeit it is a very small snippet. During Disney's 100 Years ABC special this last week, these images were shown, showing off a section of the bayou that guests will pass on their journey. You can tell that they've swayed a bit from the cartoony interiors of Splash Mountain and attempted to make something a little more realistic. Well, realistic until you once again see animals playing instruments, but I digress. Also, the lack of Dr. Facilier in the attraction makes me concerned, but I'll hold official judgment until it's officially open. Zootopia Land in Shanghai is officially open, and to celebrate, Disney unveiled an unbelievable, arguably their most impressive yet, animatronic on stage with Parks Chairman Josh D'Amaro. It's one of my favorite characters of all time. Yep, Duke Weaselton can be seen scooting along the stage. Then he accidentally gets pulled up by a string from his cart. While the animatronic is free-roaming and remarkable, it is worth noting that it's probably not best to expect to see this in the parks anytime soon. Disney has revealed a number of breathtaking breakthroughs and meetable character interactions through the years that have yet to appear anywhere outside of a presentation stage. There was also this tiny meet and greet Tinkerbell that was teased a few months back and hasn't been seen or spoken of since. Either way, not trying to diminish the awe that I'm in of this Duke animatronic. I just hope that I see it again in my lifetime. Universal Studios already has a few locations over in Asia to go along with the mainstays here in the United States, but Europe, and specifically Great Britain, could be on the horizon. Universal Studios has purchased more than 500 acres of land in the area of Bedford, which is just about 60 miles away from London. The company's resort division is on a bit of an expansion explosion as of late, with the Universal Kids Resort being built in Texas as I speak, the permanent horror experience being constructed in Las Vegas, Epic Universe coming to Orlando, and now potentially this, Universal's first venture into Europe. Finally, Voyage of the Little Mermaid is no more, kind of. The Hollywood Studios and MGM original show that essentially refused to update its technology for almost 30 years has officially closed in favor of a new entertainment offering. The Little Mermaid, a musical adventure, is the title of the new show coming to the Animation Courtyard in 2024. Disney hasn't released any info on it besides this concept art, so here's hoping this updated offering actually uses contemporary lasers and technology rather than stuff from the 80s.